അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, today I am going to share a very special Kerala style of making mushroom gravy. Ingredients: 200 grams of mushrooms, 2 small potatoes cut into small thin cubes, 2 onions finely chopped, 3 to 4 garlic pods cut into long thin slices, 2 green chilies, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 spoon garam masala, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of chili powder, half spoon of amchur powder, 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of kitchen king masala, salt for taste, curry leaves, coriander leaves, 1 to 2 pinches of asafoetida. First step is to cut the mushrooms into long thin slices and put it in lukewarm water with salt. This helps to kill all the germs in the mushroom. Now heat 2 spoons of oil in a kadai and add the mustard seeds, and after they crackle add the curry leaves. Then add the onions and the garlic pods and fry until the onions become translucent. Then add the turmeric powder, chili powder, amchur powder, coriander powder and garam masala and fry for 15 to 20 seconds. Then add the tomatoes and asafoetida. Keep this closed for some time so that it cooks for a while. Meanwhile, fry the grated coconut until they turn slightly brown. After it cools, transfer it to a mixie jar. Add the chilies and grind it to a fine paste by adding some water. Keep this aside. Now open the lid of the kadai and add the potatoes and the properly washed mushrooms to it. Mix it well and add about 1 cup of water. Close the lid and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Open the lid after 15 minutes and add the coconut paste to this. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. Finally, add the kitchen king masala and mix well. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve it with hot rotis or parathas. That's all for today, friends. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.